In 1881, the first school cadet platoon was established in Royal College, Colombo by the principal Mr. John B. Cull as a volunteer unit under Ceylon Light Infantry with the concept of develop discipline through drill. Sri Lanka school cadetting has evolved through 138 years and became the oldest school cadet outfit in South Asia and the largest youth development organization in the country. After 21 years, in 1902, 5 leading schools in the country, Trinity, Kingswood, St. Thomas, Wesley and Richmond, started cadetting after seeing the success at Royal College. The cadet platoons of these schools together formed the Ceylon Cadet Battalion and attached to Ceylon Light Infantry. In 1918, cadet battalions were separated from CLI and became independent entity under the name of Ceylon Cadet Force, which renamed in 1950 as Ceylon Cadet Corps. After declaration of Republic in 1972, the name of the corps changed as Sri Lanka Cadet Corps. Subsequently, the Act No. 40 of 1985 brought about the amalgamation of all Sri Lankan cadet entities. As a result, in 1988, the National Cadet Corps NCC was ceremonially inaugurated under the Ministry of Defence and empowered by Manpower Mobilization and Supplementary Force Act. With this development in 1988, training and administration of NCC became more organized and identified as a separate entity. The junior cadetting was started in 1910 for children aged between 12 and 14. Junior cadet training had been temporarily terminated in 1981 and subsequently restarted in 2016. Presently, there are 4,749 cadet platoons, totaling 118,725 cadets established and actively functioning in national schools, central colleges, Navodaya schools and junior schools, both male and female platoons under the senior and junior categories, covering all 9 provinces which consist of 38 battalions. There are officers and other ranks from Tri-Forces and police appointed as instructors under each battalion headquarters to maintain the quality of training. These 38 battalions developed covering all provinces have 3 major appointments. They are commanding officer, adjutant and training officer, which held exclusively by NCC officers. The vision of the NCC: to mainstream the school cadetting in Sri Lanka by establishing a cadet platoon in every school possible and thereby groom youth to be dynamic, versatile and disciplined citizens with extraordinary leadership qualities to face utmost challenges in the society is the vision of the NCC. To train and inspire every school cadet through effective training curriculum which inculcate core values of NCC and mold them to become competent and effective leaders within and outside the school is mission of National Cadet Corps. The objectives of the National Cadet Corps are as follows: encourage leadership, creativity and teamwork, improving the image of youth, develop the core principles of collective action and interpersonal skills for future leadership, Awareness of the importance of promoting youth and community service and accountability. Provide opportunities to grow physically, mentally and socially. Achieving sustainable development goals. National Cadet Corps Headquarters. The headquarters of the National Cadet Corps has been established at number 15 Dutugamunu Street, Pamankada, Dehiwala, and employs 48 officers, 40 other ranks and 37 number of civil staff. Under the guidance of the Ministry of Defence, the administration and the troops are tasked with enhancing the quality of the cadet training by conducting logistics, training and personal training. Training Center, Ranthambille. The only training center of the National Cadet Corps has been established in Ranthambille. It employs 25 officers, 60 other ranks and 61 number of civil staff. The training center consists of a residential facility for camping for 2,000 cadets at a time. The resources of the training center includes a proud parade ground and also a site designed for self-confidence building training. A well-equipped officers' mess and 2 cadet messes are also available. Provincial headquarters. There are 10 provincial headquarters established island-wide to cover all provinces, consist with Northern, North Central, Northwestern, Central, Western, Sabaragamuwa, Uva, Eastern, Southern and employ 4 number of officers and 9 civil staff. Battalion headquarters. 38 battalions have been established throughout the country. The main objective of which is to conduct cadet training in schools and to train the cadets to qualify for national level camps such as Herman Laws Trophy Camp, De Soisa Trophy Camp and so on. 114 officers, 447 other ranks and 47 number of civil staff are currently employed in these battalions. In conclusion, National Cadet Corps follows a comprehensive and progressive training methodology at various levels of training which molds students through junior and senior cadetting and groom them to be versatile leaders in every school possible. Cadetting curriculum has been designed to provide practical and theoretical aspects of pre-military training such as physical training, foot drill, weapon training and firing, map reading, field craft, first aid, regimental duties, general knowledge, self-confidence building course, patriotism, leadership activities, team building, reconciliation, drug prevention and disaster management and etc. Annual assessment camps at battalion level are held at NCC Training Center Ranthambille and culminating with national level competitions are held at NCC Training Center Ranthambille.